Hola there bubblies! Welcome to Don Bell Things. So narito ang update natin patungkol kina Donnie at Belle Mayano. So congratulations to Donnie Pangilinan dahil isa siya sa Asia's most stylish. Kaya naman narito ang video at panoorin.
Hey Donnie, thank you so much. Good evening everyone. Maraming salamat po Tatler Philippines. Everyone looks great tonight. Such an honor to be amongst such amazing people in this list. So it's truly something very humbling and I'm very grateful. Fun fact, growing up in the household, before we would go to any of our lakads, nakatok muna ako sa kwarto ng siblings ko, si Hannah at si Ella. And sasabihin ko, how do I look? And they're the ones gonna judge my passion, so I'm so happy. They're here right now also, Hannah and Ella. I've been experimenting with fashion and my style, especially these past few years, and I'm very grateful that John Lozano is here as well because he's one of the guys who really pushed me to think about my own style and what I like and what I'm comfortable wearing. And congratulations to you, have two guys on the list.
So yun lamang ang chika natin patungkol kina Donnie Pangilinan at Belle Mayano. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe for more Don Bell updates. See you on my next one. Bye-bye!
Always together, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you every day. Say you love me together, never.